Welcome back, guys. In the previous video we have seen data generation on local machine, and we have taken the use case as social media. Now those who have not watched the previous video, they can go through the link in the description box and they can watch the previous video. I have put the link in the description box because the current video is dependent on the previous video. We have taken the same use case, we have considered the same use case, social media use case, and that's why you need to go through the previous video to understand this video better. In the previous video we had generated the data on local machine in the CSV form, a comma separated file. Now in this video we will generate the data and we'll store the data inside the Postgres table. Now we need to go through the Postgres database first, so let's just check it out what is inside the Postgres. So I have one database, I have created one sample one database. Various tables are there. We can see that 25 tables are there inside the Postgres database, and here I want to create the table where my social media data will be there. So table name would be social media. Now let's go back to the UI, Ember UI. I have already explained all these rules and columns in the previous video, so please go through it. Now what we have to change in this UI, instead of local machine is same. Instead of source type we have to select SQL, and instead of data type we have to select Postgres. Now host name we can put localhost, as I am running on localhost, otherwise there will be a host name. Port is 54324 for Postgres. Username, the username of a particular database. You can provide password, and then database name, it is a sample one. Schema is public. Primary key, you can keep the primary key. Already we are having user underscore ID, so we'll just keep the user underscore ID as a primary key. Rest is the same. Just click on the submit. Wait for some seconds and data will be generated, as well as it would be stored into the database table. Now if the table doesn't exist, it will create the table and it will store the data. Just go back to the Postgres and just let's check it out. Now we can see that here we are having social media. Can you see this social media? We got this table social media. So let's just check it out, how many entries are there. So select star from count star. Okay, let's select count star, not star count. Okay, so 10,000 rows are there. If you wish to see the entries, these are the entries. Okay, so it means we can directly generate data for any database. Table will be automatically created and all the data will be stored automatically. Data types will be converted automatically into the respected database data types. Thanks for watching this.